children, I Shikha ma'am welcome you all to our LKG English class from New Era Global Kids. Let us start our class with a prayer. Karagre vasade Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati, Karamule tu Govindam, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Karagre vasade Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati, Karamule tu Govindam, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Karagre vasade Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati, Karamule tu Govindam, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Prabhate Karadarshanam. Prabhate Karadarshanam. Be quiet for some time, children. Keep your hands joined, close your eyes. Listen to the chirping of the birds, the noise around you. Try and concentrate. Calm your mind. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Namaskar. Okay, let us revise our 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A says A, E says E, I says E, O says O, U says A. These are the phonic sounds of our 5 vowels. Out of the 26 alphabets, children, 5 are the vowels and rest of them are the consonants. 5 vowels and the rest of the letters are consonants. आपको याद है? In the presentation Clara ma'am gave you, we differentiated the consonants and the vowels. All our vowels were of which color? All our vowels were of blue cards, blue color, and all the other consonants were of red color. Okay. So now before we start our classwork and homework, we will go through our flashcards revision. Okay children, sight words and our flashcards. Okay, what picture is this, children? This is the picture of middle, 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 aid, made. Next is the picture of hit. Next is the picture of hit. Hit, hit. Now these are 2 kids. These are 2 kids. Kid. Next picture, let us see, children. This is the revision of I sound words. This is the revision of I sound words. Next is the picture of kit. These are 2 kits. This is a medical kit or a first aid kit. This is a tool kit, mechanical kit. Kit. Next is ip words. Sip. Sip, sip. Next is the picture of a tip of a mountain. Ip cluster. Tip. Tip. Okay. Next is the picture of dip. Next is the picture of dip. Dip. Next picture is of a ib words. Nib, nib. Again ib cluster. Ib cluster. Babe. Again One more ib cluster. R-ib, rib. R-ib, rib. Next is ig cluster. Ig. Ig. Ig, fig. Ig, fig. Ig, fig. Ig, fig. Ig cluster. Next is again ig cluster. The ig, dig. The ig, dig. The ig, dig. Ip cluster. Ip cluster. Ip, lip. Ip, lip. Next is one more ib cluster. Ip cluster. Zip, zip. Zip, zip. Zip, zip. Next is the id cluster. Id, id cluster. This is the lid of a vessel. Lid, lid. And this is the lid of a pen. Lid. Okay. Lid. Dhakkan. Lid, lid. Lid, lid. Next is ig cluster. Next is ig cluster. Ig. This car is small, but this elephant is big. Big, big. Big, big. Next is in cluster. In cluster. In. This is the picture of a टिन. टिन में क्या होता है? रेडीमेड चीज़ें जो होती है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कॉर्न होता है, रसगुल्ला होता है, इन सारी चीज़ों के टिन मिलते हैं बाजार में. इसे हम बोलते हैं टिन. 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 नेक्स्ट इज द पिक्चर ऑफ अ विग. विग इज नकली बाल. ओके. विग. 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 Next is the picture of a bin. Bin. In cluster है. ये कौन सा cluster है? In cluster है. In. Bin. In bin. Next is it cluster. It cluster. It. Fit मतलब healthy रहना. Fit मतलब हेल्दी रहना, एक्सरसाइज करना, अच्छे से खाना पीना, बहुत सारा पानी पीना, दूध पीना, हेल्दी चीज़ें खाना, एंड स्लीप, गो टू बेड अर्ली एंड वेक अप अर्ली. ओके. दिस इज कॉल्ड फिट. फिट. नेक्स्ट इज इन क्लस्टर. इन फिन. फिन. नेक्स्ट इज इट क्लस्टर. टफ. It cluster. Sit. What is she doing? She is sitting on a chair. Sit. Sit. And this is it cluster again. Bit मतलब bite करना. Okay. Bit. Next is hid. Id cluster. Id cluster. Hid. Next are the pictures of different types of pin. In cluster. In pin. These are different types of pins. Next is last one is ig cluster. Ig. Pig. Pig. Now we will see our sight words. Sight words help you to read the sentence well and easily. Let us see which is our first sight word, children. B. By now you people should be knowing all the I sound words and all the flashcards of sight words I am showing you. These will help you to read properly. B. As. Next is at. is two. Next is off. M. Next N. Do. V मतलब हम सब. V. I. What is the phonic sound of I? I. Is. Let us see some more sight words, children. His is used for boys. His. Next is they. Are. Has. Her. This is her class. This is her school. This is her dress. Her जो होता है वो लड़की के लिए यूज होता है. That. He, she. He is used for boys. She is used for girls. He for boy. She for girls. Was. For. You. The. And. Okay, children. So these were the revision of our sight words flashcard. But before that, what had we done? Before that, we had revised all our I sound words CBC clusters. Okay. Now let us see what is today's classwork and homework. It is related to the revision of the topics we have already done. That is A, E, I sound words. So are you all ready? You have to take out your pencil eraser and along with that take out your English textbook, Nurture textbook course A. This is our Nurture course A textbook English, our Nurture course A textbook. We are going to do today page number 26 and page number 27 and page number 27. This has the revision of A, E, I sound words, both the pages. Okay, children? We will start with page number 26. I can do. This is your classwork. And please write here the date, children. Okay, I can do मतलब अब मैं ये रीड करके कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ. Let us start the reading of the heading. Join the, our sight word, the letters to make words. Join the letters to make words. हमें इन लेटर्स को जैसे यहाँ पे ज्वाइन किया है वैसे ज्वाइन करके क्या करना है, वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. You have to identify the pictures and then join the letters to make a CVC word. Next is the first has been done for you. इसका मतलब पहला वाला आपके लिए कर दिया है. ऐसे ज्वाइन करके यहाँ पे पूरा वर्ड लिखना है. What is the first picture? Can you identify? Is this A, E or I sound? Children, the first one is the picture of dig. Dig has which sound, children? Does it have the sound of A? Does it have the sound of A, E or I? Which sound does it have? The I, G. It has the sound of letter I. I, the I, G. So the first one has been done for you. So we will write here the spelling now. The I, G, D, G, D, I, G, D, G. Okay, now do you see here? What are these? These are men. These are men. See, man, men. Okay, which word? Which picture is this? Is this one man or are they men? Men. Man. One man or many men? One man or many men? How many men are there? There are three men. 1, 2, 3. More than one are called men. Okay. And which? So, men has which sound, children? A, E or I? A, E or I sound? It has E sound. E says men, and men. So let us see here the words and men, and men, and we will write here the spelling and men, and men. Next is the picture of a zip. Next is the picture of a zip. Next is the picture of a zip. Okay, zip has which sound? Zip. Zip. I is the sound of which letter, children? I is the sound of letter I. Letter I. Okay, what do you hear when I say zip? Z is Z, I is I, and P is P. Because it is far, so we will put a curve here. Zip, 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 zip. Let us write here. Zip, zip. Ma, da, dig, ma and men, zip, zip. Next is the picture of a gem. हमने E sound में लिखा था. Let us see it again. See, gem, gem. Okay, this is G. G says G, पर इसमें इसका sound j आता है. Gem, gem. Okay, so this is the picture of a gem. So we have to see which sound does it have? It has the sound of E. It has the sound of E. J is G here. E. J is G here. E is E. Is M. J. Gem. Gem. Okay. Next word. Next picture is hid. This boy is hiding behind the curtain. Hid. Ha. Ha. I. Da. Ha. I. Da. It has the sound of letter I. I का sound है. I का sound है. Yes. Ha. I. Da. Ha. I. Da. Hid. See? Hid. 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 Okay. How will we write the spelling of hid? Ha. I. Da. Hid. Last is the picture of a web. Who lives in a web, children? Who lives in a web? Spider lives in a web. This is the house of a spider. Okay. Now see, listen what I am saying. Va, ba, va, ba. Is it E or I sound? Yes, it is E sound. Va is W. I is E, is E, and B is B. Va, ba, va, ba, web, 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 va, b, web. Okay. D, ig, dig, and men, man नहीं, men. Zip, zip, jem, gem. Id, hid, web, web. It had the sound of letter E and letter I. Okay, now we will do page number 27 as homework. Date. Okay, again, I can do. I can do. ये सारे वर्ड्स जो हैं हमने अपने साइट वर्ड्स में लिए हुए हैं. सो नाउ यू हैव टू स्टार्ट रीडिंग ऑल्सो. ओके, आई कैन डू. ओके, चूज, चूज the correct spelling and write it in the space below. Choose the correct spelling and write it in the space below. ये पिक्चर्स को आइडेंटिफाई करके दो स्पेलिंग में से सही स्पेलिंग चूज करके यहाँ पे लिखना है. ओके, नाउ अगेन दिस हैज द रिविजन ऑफ A-E-I sound. A-E-I sound. Okay, first picture is of a cat. This is the picture of a cap. Is this a cap, children? No, this is a hat. This is a hat. Hat. ए का आवाज ए लंबा करके ए. So let us write the spelling hat. Okay, now what is this, children? Is this a pencil? Is this a pencil? No, this is a pen. This is a pen. This is a pen. Okay, now let us read this. Pan. 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 Pen. 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 Is this pan or is this pen? Pan. Pen. Yes, this is the spelling of pen. पेन है ये. ओके, पेन क्या होता है? पेन वो होता है जिसमें ममा खाना बनाते हैं. दिस इज पेन, बट दिस इज ए साउंड वर्ड. दिस इज अ पेन. पेन. दिस इज अ पेन. ओके, लेट अस राइट द स्पेलिंग. पेन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज अ पिन. पिन. Okay, let us read these two words. Ba-i-ga. Ba-i-ga. Is this pin or is this pin? Yes, this is pa-in pin. And this is ba-ig big. So this is the spelling of pin. It has I sound. I sound. Pa-i-n pin. Pin. Next is the picture of a bib. Let us read this. Powder. Let us read this, children. Powder. Powder. It has O sound. अभी तक हमने O sound words तो किए नहीं हैं. Let us read this. Ba. Ba. It has the sound of bib. Ba. What is this? Is this powder? Pod or is this ba? This is babe. Let us write here ba. Okay, next is the picture of a cat. Cab. Is this cat or is this cab? It has a word. This is a word, but is it a cat or a cab? Cat. Cab. Yes, this is a cab. Cab. A sound word. A sound. Okay. Cab means taxi. Okay. Next is a boy who is sleeping. He is taking a nap. Nab. Is he taking a nap or a nab? Yes, he is taking a nap. Nap. A sound. Okay. Next is color green. Color green. Is it color green? No. Is it color red? Yes. Let us read the spellings, children. Hen. Red. Is this hen or is this red? Is this hen or is this red? It is color red. It is color red. Red. E sound. Okay, let us read this first now. Okay. Ox. Ox. This is O sound. Fox. Fox. X. X. Okay. See this picture, children. What are these two girls doing? This is mama. This is her daughter. What are they two doing? कोई बाउल है और उसमें वो लोग चीजें मिलाकर मिक्स कर रहे हैं. So is this fox or mix? Mix. Okay. Mix. I sound word. So we will write it here. X. Mix. Next is the picture of a leg. Lad. Leg. Leg. Is this lad or leg? Lad is a boy. Lad is a boy. See, I'll draw. This is a lad. This is a leg. Leg. Okay, so this is our homework for today, where we had to see the words, see the picture, the spelling. Okay, this had the revision of A, E and I sound words. Okay, children. So what have we done today? We did the revision of A, E, I words. Okay, these pages had the revision of A, E, I sound words. Okay, out of the vowels A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I हमने complete कर दिया है. That is the reason we had the revision portion in this of the A, E, I sound words. Okay, children. So now this was in your textbook, page number 26 and 27. But remember, after doing your homework, daily keep revising your phonic sounds. Okay, children. I hope you have understood A, E, I sound, their words, their clusters. Now I will meet you in the next lecture. Until then, thank you. Namaskar. This is today's classwork and homework, page number 26 of textbook and page number 27 of textbook your homework, page number 26 of textbook classwork, page number 27 of textbook homework.